Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and set up Twitch webcam. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, if you're not using OBS in order for you to go ahead and stream, I don't know what you're doing, because this is the simplest and the best software out there in order for you to go ahead and stream. You can also use something like Streamlabs OBS. However, this uses the least amount of resources to give you the max amount of efficiency for your computer. Now, without wasting any more time, let's just get straight into setting up the Twitch webcam. So first things first, make sure you have scenes created. On the scene, just simply click on this plus icon, and all you need to do is just click on video capture device. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and create new and simply go ahead and select the webcam you have. I don't have a webcam connected to my PC at the moment, but when you have it, it will just show up right over here. Click on OK, and all you need to do is just adjust it according to whatever size or whatever location that you want to have it on. It is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.